Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode on your DELL Precision 5520. And before we begin, you need to know that it is very important that you have access to your Microsoft account on other device. And what I mean by that, if your device, if you go to the recovery mode, then after changing anything in this recovery mode, there's a high chance that it may be locked with BitLocker. And you know, technically without the Microsoft account you can enter the recovery mode, but you won't be able to exit. And we don't want that. It will lock all your drive and you'll need to install Windows again. By the way, there is a video on our channel on how to install Windows, but I don't think it's worth it. It's better to just, you know, have the BitLocker recovery key. And to get the BitLocker recovery key, you'll need to, first, before we enter the recovery mode, go to this website that I'm showing you right here. You can see it, it's aka.ms/myrecoverykey, and make sure you go to the correct one. If you mix up all the dots and slashes, you may go to a scammer website, so it's also very important that it looks sort of like this. Once you go to that website, log into your Microsoft account that you are logged in on your laptop, and I'm gonna get back to when I'm logged in. And I had to verify with my email, by the way. Then the website, once you log in, should have a list of BitLocker recovery keys. It should look sort of like this, and you can see here at the bottom there are device name, key ID, recovery key, drive, and key upload date. And most probably it'll show on my screen with the BitLocker, so I'm gonna explain it then. If not, then I'm still gonna explain it, because you never really know if it for sure will lock it, but most probably it will. Now, if your laptop is currently on, shut it down. If it's already shut down, then leave it, and wait for about 30 seconds after your laptop is shut down. Then press on the power key, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F12 on your keyboard. Once the blue bar is loading, you can release it. And now we don't have it. We don't have what I wanted to have. So in that case, if you don't have recovery mode in other options, all you can do is forcefully shut down your laptop by pressing and holding on the power button. Wait for 30 seconds, turn it on with the power button, and if it starts loading to the system, during the system loading, press and hold on the power button to again forcefully shut it down, wait for 30 seconds, press on the power button, and repeat the process until instead of loading into system, it says please wait at the bottom. So I'm gonna try to do this process now. It may take quite some time, since, you know, you need to even up to 6 times restart your device, unfortunately. So you can see now it will start loading most probably. Yes, so I need to forcefully shut it down by pressing and holding on the power button until the light on the power button goes off. That's how you know that your laptop is shut down. Then press on the power button again until it says please wait at the bottom. Okay, probably won't say that either right now. So I'm gonna shut it down, then turn it on. And I'm gonna go back to when it shows please wait. Okay, so instead of please wait, it actually says preparing automatic repair in my case. If it happens in your case as well, then you never really know if it'll go into the recovery mode. You'll just need to wait until it actually goes into that. So now it's diagnosing and stuff, so if it finds there's no problems, then try restarting it again and again and again. At some point, after diagnosing like for the third time, you'll probably know that maybe there's a problem it doesn't see, and it'll go to recovery. Okay, I think it's just loading into system, so I'm gonna forcefully shut it down again, and we'll see this time. And when at some point it shows you this screen, just select advanced options and you'll be in the recovery mode. Now I'm gonna try to just lock it with like, with BitLocker. So I'm gonna advanced options, startup options, restart. And if it locks me with BitLocker, then I will need to unlock it. So we'll see about that. And it did not, but if in case it did, then you'll have a field to enter the recovery key, and below it you'll see key ID, and that key ID will be quite long, but the first section is the most important. The first section has to match with the key ID which is on the website. I'm gonna show you that right now. You can see it has to match with it. If it matches, then just enter the recovery mode, which is on the right side of that key ID. And by the way, the list is not sorted alphabetically or not alphabetically, by date. It's not sorted by date. So you just need to find the right one. And when you find it, enter the whole code, and if it was entered correctly and you click on enter, you'll be able to just continue with the thing you're doing. And that's basically it for this video. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.